Okay, all my science classes, especially chemistry and middle school science, because this is mostly about chemical reactions, but it involves all of the classes. Uh, Today I'm going to do a simple experiment, but it kind of has some unusual looks to it when it's done, and it kind of makes you wonder, how does it do that? What I'll be using different type of sodas. I have Mountain Dew, Baja Blast. I have Orange Crush, and I have a Diet Dr. Pepper. It really doesn't matter which soda you use. You can use any dark colored soda. And what I'm going to use is sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is a chemical that you can, it's found around the house. It's known as everyday, ordinary, common bleach. And these day and age, there's been a run on it. It's hard to get, so I was lucky enough to get some bleach, and because it cleans clothes, and bacteria. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour each of the sodas into a clear glass. This one's kind of a light soda. This is the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, kind of blue. Then I've got a darker soda, Orange Crush Grape, very dark. And then also very dark is the kind of Diet Dr. Pepper. It's also very fizzy. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I'm going to move them up a little bit closer here. Got the three colors there. You can see them all right there. I'm going to back up out of the picture. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the bleach, the sodium hypochlorite, and pour it into each one and see if I can get a reaction from the oxidation of the bleach. What bleach does is it oxidizes, produces oxygen when it mixes with other chemicals, and breaks apart what we call chloroforms, or the color creating molecules. And then they either just reflect no color at all, or sometimes a light yellow color. So my prediction is going to be that these will all be light yellow. So let's see what happens. So here goes the first one. Look at that. Almost immediately it turns the Baja Blast, the green one, to a clear color. I didn't even have to stir it. I do have a handy dandy stirrer here to kind of assist in the mixture, but I didn't even have to stir that one. All right, the next one. Let's see how fast this goes. This is grape soda with some bleach in it. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. You can see it's starting to disappear already. It's going pretty quickly. Now it's retaining a little bit of color, a little bit of yellow color from the bleach. I'll pour a little bit more in. See if I can get it to almost a clear color. Can you see that clearing up? Alright, and then the darkest one, the Diet Dr. Pepper, I'll pour some more sodium hypochlorite in there and stir that up. And see if I can get that one to go clear too. It takes a little bit longer on some of the darker ones, but you can see that they are slowly clearing up. Let's let that sit. So this one's almost perfectly clear now. The Baja Blast Mountain Dew. The next one, the Orange Crush, is almost clear as well. It looks like I need a little bit more hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite, in the that dark Diet Dr. Pepper. Let's take a look and see if I can get that to just go clear here. That's about as light as it's going to get, but you can see it's definitely a lot lighter than it was. Okay, so the one that worked the best on was the grape. I mean, it's real clear now. And the Baja Blast wasn't that dark, but again, it cleared up almost immediately. So my favorite one is the grape one because of how clear it got and how fast it got clear. If we leave this for about 5 hours, this one will be clear too. It just takes time. I can mix it as much as I can here before the end of the video and try to see how clear I can get it. But there you have it. There is a typical chemical reaction where you have sodium hypochlorite, which is everyday household bleach, mixing with dark colored sodas, and that's why your mom or dad might use bleach, liquid bleach, to wash the clothes to get the stains out because it breaks up color. Okay, so I'm going to try to do some more experiments like this for you guys to watch and enjoy. So this should be viewing on Thursday morning, and Doc out.